In today's video, I'm going to teach you set up your Thinkific course. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll use to get a mini course up and running quickly while keeping things clear and simple. Start by logging in to your Thinkific dashboard. This is your control center, where you'll create and manage everything related to your courses. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and head to Products, then choose Courses. This area is dedicated to building and organizing the learning experiences you'll offer, so it's the perfect place to begin. Next, click New Course. Depending on your layout, you might see a plus button that does the same thing. Both take you into the course creation flow. Thinkific will invite you to use an AI prompt to describe your mini course. This is a powerful time saver. In your description, be clear about who the course is for, the problem it solves, and the specific outcome learners should achieve. Mention a rough number of lessons or the length you're aiming for, and note any key topics or tools you want included. The more specific your prompt, the more accurate the draft that Thinkific's AI generates. After you submit the prompt, give the system a moment to build your course. It will assemble a starting curriculum with sections and lesson ideas tailored to your description. Think of this as a solid first draft, not the final product. Now, tweak the curriculum, which is the heart of your course. Review the structure from top to bottom. Rename sections to match your voice, reorder lessons for a smoother learning journey, and remove anything that doesn't serve your core promise. If something important is missing, add a lesson and jot a quick note about what it will cover so you remember your intent. Keep your lessons focused and actionable, and use clear, outcome-driven titles so learners always know what they'll gain. If your course includes examples or exercises, label them clearly so learners can practice right away. When you've made the necessary changes and everything reflects your vision, it's time to publish. Press Publish to make your course available according to your site's settings. Publishing is the moment your course becomes real for your learners, so take a breath, glance over your curriculum one last time to ensure it aligns with your promise, and then go for it. That's the full process. Log in, go to Products and Courses, start a new course, use the AI prompt to build a smart foundation, refine the curriculum, and publish. You're done, and your mini course is ready to share.